Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to create a virtual product. Virtual product is basically the product which you can just download and which you are not selling physically, like for example the PDFs, ebooks, movies, music files or audio file, whatever that is. If you are selling such products, then these products are known as the virtual products or downloadable products. Okay, so now let me just show you how to do that. Let me just take an example of course. If suppose not course, uh, let me just say course PDF. Okay, so if suppose I'm selling the PDF which is having some information about the course, then I will give the name of the product as a course PDF. Once you do that, just scroll down below, and after that you will get this Ocean WP settings. Just scroll down and just select simple product over here, and click on the virtual, and click on the downloadable. Okay, so that means you can just download this virtual product. You can give the regular price and the sales price. So if you want, I will set this as 100 and sales price as a 50. Okay, so now after that you have to just attach the file which you want your users to download. Just click on this add file. You can give the name as PDF over here, and after that you have to just provide the link of the file that you want your customers to just download. Okay, or you can just do one thing. You can just select the file. If you are having that particular file on your system, on your device, then you just have to select a particular file. Okay, so let me just go to the downloads. I must be at least having something over here. Okay, so now let me just select this basic template. This is actually not required, but whatever file that you want to allow to be downloaded, just select that file. Let me just upload this some random pic, and I will say insert file URL, and now that URL of the particular file gets added over here automatically. And next we have the download limit. If you want to set a download limit, like if suppose you want only 30 people to download this, or 30 times this file to be get downloaded, then you can put the limit. But if you are clipping this blank, it's okay. Downloadable expiry. Okay, so if you want to set the expiry, then you can just do that. Enter the number of the days before the download link. If suppose I'm giving this download link today, then after 4 days this will get expire. But if you are just keeping this blank, it's okay, it's fine. That means this PDF link will never get expired. If you want to apply the text, then you can say taxable or no taxable. That means no text will be applied. And yeah, if no text will be applied, that means this text class is useless. So just keep it none, or if you want to add text and all, then you can just set say taxable, and you can apply the GST or whatever that you want. But let me just keep this none, and rest everything will remain same. Rest of the things will not apply when it comes to selling any virtual product. Okay, so this is how you can create a virtual product and sell it. And once you do all these changes, then you can add a category and add this product to the category. As of now there are no categories, so I will create the category of PDF, and I will add this to that category. And if you want to give the product tags, like I will say PDF, then I can give a few more tags like course PDF or whatever that is. Okay, so whatever tags that you want to apply on any of the product, then you can just give those tags over here. And if you want to set the featured image, you can just set a featured image of this thing. Let me just select this one. Okay, so I will set this as a featured image. Oops, this is a PNG. Let me just select something else. Okay, let me just select this one. Okay, so whatever featured image that you want to give, you can just apply the featured image. And once you do with all these things, click on publish. Okay, so now my product is ready, and now anyone who want to buy this product will have to pay the this much of money, which is 50 rupees, and that person can download this particular file. Okay guys, this is how you can create the virtual products. Thanks for watching.